Hi and welcome back. In this section, you'll learn about the controls and navigation tools to use to coordinate a safe flight. The first thing you'll want to do is create an operations binder that not only has a checklist, but also has your pilot certification, registration of your drone, a map indicating the area you're flying in, the emergency numbers you may need in case of a flyaway, and most importantly, an operations manual that indicates what to do in an emergency, what to do for a site survey, and what to do for a pre-flight check on your UAV system. Go through this information with yourself as well as your spotter or visual observer before taking off. Create a checklist for yourself so you don't forget any important information before, during, or after your flight operation. It is best to create a checklist that describes your type of drone, the accessories you have, the camera settings you use, the type of inspection you do, and a check of all your batteries. After you create this checklist, you can use it as your template for every other operation after that. For my example today, we'll be using the DJI Mavic Air. DJI is one of the leaders in the drone manufacturing business and will be one of the most common ones you find in the marketplace. To power up your controller, press the power button twice and hold down a second time. A beep will indicate that the controller is powered up. Always power up your controller before your drone to prevent an unexpected flyaway. Once your controller and device have made a connection, move on to powering up your drone. Now that your drone is powered up, let's get ready to take off. With DJI, there are two ways to take off. One is sliding the takeoff button on your device, which allows for an option of precise takeoff and landing, which means your drone will come back to you in the almost exact spot you took off from automatically. The other is by pressing your thumbsticks in on an angle motion, pushing up on the thumbstick if you're taking off with the manual method. Now that your drone is in the sky, here are a few basic controls to move it around. On the right thumbstick, pushing up will make the drone go forward. Pushing down will make the drone come backwards. Moving it left or right will shift the drone left or right in the sky. If we begin by pressing up on the left thumbstick, you will notice that it ascends into the sky. And by pushing down, it will descend to the ground. Left and right will rotate the drone in the sky. While you're up there, you're going to want to be taking pictures and videos. Those buttons are located at the tips of your fingers by the antenna. If at any time in the sky you are unsure of your actions, you can press the pause button on the controller, and that will stop the drone in the sky from doing any other actions. Let's now come in for a landing. While being over the spot you are looking to land manually, hold down on the right thumbstick. The drone will begin to land slowly over your desired spot. If you're using the auto land feature on your DJI drone, clicking this auto land feature will land the drone in the precise spot that you took off at. I hope you enjoyed this section of the course, and we'll see you back for human factors.